If your child starts sketching it by their own, by seeing their favorite reference characters, or maybe watching some YouTube, they keep sketching it, that is a very good sign. That much they have potential in the creativity side. They have very talented. That's what they just start sketching it. But once we see this particular talent in this particular child, we need to help them to develop the skills in the next levels. In this video, I will show you one of my class work, how I help all my students to get good at their sketching talent first, and how to take the sketching talent for the creativity growth. Okay, one is improving the sketching talent. Before, you need to find where your talent is, where your interest it is. Once you understood your interest and talent, then you need to develop that. Once you develop that, you need to develop creativity on that particular talent by using. Yeah, this particular class is all about developing manga fan art. Yeah, if you are already sketching, you need to learn first the character sketching like pro. You need to get good at your sketching level first. Once you are get good at your sketching level as a like pro, you need to be like working professional levels. Basically, you need to develop your line quality, depth, proportions, okay, the expressions, clarity in the face. These all things you need to get good at. Once you get good at, then you will reach, this is the second stage. It's very important to help students not to stay only just seeing the reference and sketching. That is really good, but we shouldn't stay only in that particular point. Okay, we need to take the child into the next level. Once the child good at the sketching, this is the next level where they will see not only the perfection in their work, they will see they will develop their own style. Then only they can able to draw this manga fan art and all the things. Yeah, so this is the second level. If your child already is sketching, and if they're not learned anywhere, that is called interest level. Once they joined and they went to start sketching it properly, that is their first level, sketching like pro. Once that is done, once they know how to sketch like perfectly, properly and beautifully, then they will come to the second stage. This is the stage they will enjoy their work. Let me explain about this particular class, what exactly we'll do in this our manga fan art drawing. This comes as a part of our sketching class. This is one of our class. What we do, we teach children how to sketch things beyond the reference. For that, what we do, we'll take some particular character. That character's reference will be here, and same time we also will collect lot of other artists, other talented people all over the world, how the people are sketching and all the things. So we'll collect all the things, and we also will collect a lot of reference here and there. So this is called mood board. Reference means only the exactly the image will be there, the same image. If you're copying, that is called just reference redrawing. But this sections is all about how to understand a lot of things and create your own version. Okay, that's how you will develop your own concept, own style and all the things. So this is how the reference mode board. Okay, based on this mode board, we like certain things from different area. Like example, we took this hairstyle because we love this hairstyle flow. I'll teach you how to draw this all the things. Okay, this flow we got from here. And this costume is really good, but we like this particular overcoat kind of stuff because this is the one the character always will wear overall the serial so film. And so we took this costumes from this particular character, we bought it here. It looks so easy, but when you're sketching, you'll go through a lot of challenges. We'll train you exactly how to understand this, how to sketch this properly. Let me do small thumbnail maybe here. So that's how the plan. So basically, like example, the idea is first get the hairstyles, flows, everything's in one particular area from here. Maybe I'm just getting the cloth and all the things, the ideas from this another reference. Sorry, that pencil is got over. So that is one. And when you look at these eyes, this all the eyes we've done many times. So we want to make something different. So we collected something from here. So we just made the eyes from there. And especially this reference doesn't have mouth open. So we saw this expression is good. We thought of drawing this, but this expressions makes like according to the like it gives like this looks like kind of this looks like different expressions like kind of not like unexpressed. Okay, this have some expressions. This have some expressions. Maybe it's like settled mode, maybe it's a worrying mode, maybe it's a thinking or a shocking mode, a smiley happy mode, and just thinking or is looking something, thinking something. Everything have different things. But we also want to bring this reference expressions from here. It's not just drawing things from here and there. We need to have the clarity on the expression. That's what we bought this particular things as a simplified version here. So we no need to change everything. Okay, you just take we just help them to focus on couple of stuff, like example, we need some clarity on the expressions. For that we got some knowledge here. We need some clarity on the personality, so we got the hairstyle, we got the cloth. So the next step is putting these ideas together as a like thumbnail. First we'll draw many thumbnails, then we will teach them how to select the right thumbnails. Okay, so once you select the right thumbnails, then how to practice the thumbnails like 3-4 times to get your better version. So once that version is ready in the rough, that you can get into this sketch. Okay, so to do this, what you need to be good at, you need to be really good at, you should be a pro for your own sketching. Okay, if you're already is good at your line qualities, if you're already is good at your depth bringing concepts, if you're already good at your proportions and all the areas, that's what we train students, everybody's who first they need to go through that perfection level first. Then we will teach them how to go beyond the reference, not just copying same reference. It is not bad copying the same reference, but we need to go our next level. Okay, so then we will get it into this. Now I'll just show you small version for you, small tips. Okay, let me do like when you develop like this much, this is not final, still you can improve more and more. Example, when I look at this, there's anywhere still I can improve a lot of depth here. Let me show you a small improvement. Maybe I can take this hairstyle from here, or maybe here, maybe this one I can take. So you can draw. So when you draw, you shouldn't make lot of double lines. You should be really good at your pencil holding and making the lines more thinner, and the stories need to be clear. Okay, when the stories means the concept. What is this concept? Like example, for this element, the concept, the story is from where to where this hair is, this small bunch of hair is going, and why this having this much gap. Okay, that one need to be visually be presented. Okay, so this is what you need to learn when you learn sketching. This is what we will help you to understand first. It's not about just copying the reference exactly. Why I'm using that word, like because when you're trying to bring the exactly the same element from here through your sketching here, only maybe your sketching looks good, but if you want to get good at your next level means, what is the next level? Developing your own style, developing your own character, sketching things on your own manga fan art areas. Okay, those are all the things. If you want to get that, that is the one real fun. This one I'm just showing small shadow so that this looks front, that will looks back. This is the same techniques I'll be used in many places. Okay, even you can see, look at this, it looks like so nice, right? So this one also we use the same techniques. Like example, I just show you here, just still cross and just make it. So this suddenly will looks very far from this ears, right? Like this, you can add. So when you add this is getting better. Just now I show you how to just make the element and just bring the depth, like the distance. Once that is done, that is not final. Okay. Uh, See, line qualities is very important in the sketching. Sorry, I'm just sharpening a little bit. Line quality is very important. Once you can able to bring line qualities will develop once you handle your pencil pressure and same time your patience level. Okay, two things are important. Once you do the pencil, even though sharp, if I put little extra pressure, the pencil edge will break, immediately will break. Okay, once you break, sometimes I'll break, after that I'll sketch, sometimes I don't break, but now I don't want to do that. I don't want to break with that light pressure only. with this is the line. For this line also, we will develop one more line for the edge. I hope you understand. See, now it's broken, right? So I just, by talking, I just applied little pressure, but usually I don't do that. We draw one line. To polish that line, again, we are working on it like this one more time, right? This is how you need to know a lot of the techniques and process. Once you know this, all the techniques and process, then your work looks more dynamic, more depth, and this brings a lot of clarity in the expressions. This looks like so beautiful. When you implement, once you learn, you will discover. After discover, you should implement it in your work. Like example, when you saw these techniques, you understood, right? But when you make like these straight lines, you'll have one kind of outputs. But when you make a little curve fill, then when you do to make the shadow, you need to have you need to learn that smooth shadings subject. When you do that, this looks totally different. This is final. No, top of this, still there are 6 steps is there to get this kind of perfection, all the things. There is no one step to get the good result. There's multiple steps you should involve. Okay. I hope this will help. This kind of small tips, small sharing will help. Oh, yeah. I'll teach all the stuffs in my Artupskill sketching class. If you are age 11 and above, if you are watching this video, if you're understanding, if you're a big fan of learning manga fan art, click the link below and join my demo class, attend my demo class to get to know really the secrets and the benefits and the advantage the person who has sketching talent. First understand that, and same time you can also sketch with me in the demo class. Once you can able to sketch with me, once you understood your talent, after that you get enrolled manga character sketching class based on your age. From there, I will help you how to sketch like pro in 6 months, and after that, how to develop your own style so that you can start sketching manga fan arts. After that, how to sketch your own characters and how to develop your own themes, own comics. After that, I'm also will take you into the next level if you're trying to go as a, like digital painting, comics, animation, design, and all the things. Yeah, click the link below and start your journey. If you have sketching talent, if you have a lot of interest on anime, manga, those kind of areas, don't miss on these opportunities. Don't delay a lot. Yeah, start your journey as soon as possible so that you have enough time to get to know your talent, and you also will get enough time to implement your talent to figure out where this talent is belongs to. This talent is belongs to the creation, like kind of like the design side or the fashion side, or it's a gaming side or animation side, which side the talent is goes. Okay, once you learn, then only you can able to explore those things. It's kind of growing the tree. It's take their own time. The more faster you will start growing, the more faster you can able to see the result. Yeah, I hope this is valuable. If you want to see like this every week, my previous class work and same time what I'm teaching, and you also want to grab small my secrets, follow the channel and keep supporting me by putting thumbs up. Otherwise, share these videos with any of your friends or family, or is anybody who have this talent. We focus more on the students, school students, college students, all the peoples. At the same time, as a parent, always a working person, you also willing to learn, and you don't have any problem to learn with childrens. Okay, the students get in, you can join. We have all the facilities. We'll take online live class. The live class recording video also will be given to you. You can watch the video whenever you have time, and same time you also will get access to all my previous class recorded videos and all the things. Join the demo class. I will explain every single details very clearly step by step. Yeah, see you on next video. Bye. Of course, we need to develop a lot. Whenever I'll see his work, I'll keep developing. Yes, the video is finished. I'm just doing small extra work. So Whenever I'll see my old sketches, we always will improve little bit. That's how the quality will get better. Once I completed in one day, after that I don't touch the work. It's not that case. Whenever I'll take the same work for seeing, for just for review, or is to showcase to my students, or is to want to create like videos like this, that time if I see something, I'll keep implementing it. Okay. Hey, to draw such a beautiful work, so you need like 18 to 20 techniques, 18 to like some couple of methods. Then you need to stick to those methods. Then you can get this kind of stuff. Yeah. See you on live class. Bye bye.